How to train your brain to speak English automatically. Welcome to English Listening Journey. Do you ever feel stuck when trying to speak English? You understand words, you know grammar, but when it's time to talk, your brain freezes. This happens because your brain isn't trained to think and respond in English automatically. The good news is, you can train your brain to speak English naturally and effortlessly. In this video, we'll explore how to rewire your thinking process so that English flows smoothly when you speak. Why speaking feels difficult. Many English learners struggle because they translate from their native language. This slows down speech and makes conversations feel unnatural. Your brain is working too hard, trying to switch between languages instead of responding instinctively. Another challenge is lack of speaking practice. If you don't use English daily, your brain doesn't develop the connections needed for fast, automatic speech. Another problem is fear of mistakes. Many learners hesitate to speak because they worry about grammar or pronunciation. But the truth is, making mistakes is a natural part of learning. If you avoid speaking, you slow down your progress. Instead, embrace mistakes as a sign of improvement. Every time you speak, even with small errors, you're training your brain to communicate more fluently. How to train your brain to think in English. Immerse yourself in English. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. Change your phone language to English, watch English videos, and listen to English podcasts. The more you expose your brain to English, the more natural it becomes. Try labeling objects around your house in English. This helps your brain associate words with real things instead of translating. When you see mirror on your bathroom mirror, your brain will automatically link the word with the object. Use simple phrases first. Start with common words and phrases you use daily. Instead of forming long sentences, train your brain to respond with quick, natural phrases. For example, instead of thinking, "I need to check the time," just say, "What time is it?" Another great tip is to focus on functional English, phrases you actually need in conversations. For example, at a restaurant, "Can I have the menu, please?" Asking for help. "Excuse me, can you help me?" Daily activities. "I need to buy groceries." The more you practice these small sentences, the faster you will respond in real-life situations. Practice thinking in English. Whenever you have a thought, try to express it in English. Describe your surroundings, plan your day, or imagine conversations. If you don't know a word, describe it using simpler words instead of translating. For example, if you don't know the word for refrigerator, you can say, "The cold place where I keep my food." This method trains your brain to stay in English and avoid translation blocks. Talk to yourself. You don't need a partner to practice speaking. Talk to yourself about your day, explain things out loud, or record your voice. This builds confidence and fluency. A great exercise is to narrate your actions as you go about your day. For example, while cooking, you can say, "I'm cutting the vegetables. Now I'm adding salt." This simple habit makes English a natural part of your thinking. Shadowing technique. Listen to a native speaker and repeat what they say immediately. This trains your brain to process English quickly and improves pronunciation. Start with slow, clear audio and gradually move to natural speed conversations. Try copying the speaker's tone, rhythm, and pauses. This helps you sound more natural and think faster in English. Respond quickly. Give yourself a short time to answer questions in English. For example, ask yourself, "What did I eat for breakfast?" and answer instantly without overthinking. Another fun way to practice is through conversation drills. Set a timer for 1 minute and try to answer random questions without pausing. For example, what's your favorite movie? What do you like to do on weekends? If you could travel anywhere, where would you go? By practicing fast responses, you train your brain to think and speak in English effortlessly. Extra tips for automatic speaking. Listen and repeat daily. Listening to English every day helps you absorb natural speech patterns. Watch movies, listen to podcasts, or follow YouTube channels where people speak naturally. Try repeating interesting phrases or sentences to improve your speaking flow. Join English conversations. Find a language partner or join online speaking groups. Even 10 minutes of conversation practice a day can significantly improve your fluency. Platforms like language exchange apps or online discussion forums can connect you with English speakers worldwide. Practice role-playing. Imagine real-life situations and act them out. Pretend you're ordering coffee, introducing yourself at a party, or asking for directions. Role-playing builds confidence and prepares you for real conversations. Use English to learn new things. Instead of just studying English, use English to learn about topics you love. Read articles, watch videos, or take courses in English. When you enjoy the content, learning feels effortless. Final thoughts. The key to automatic speaking is consistent practice. The more you expose your brain to English and force it to respond quickly, the more natural it becomes. Stop translating and start thinking in English today. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Every word you speak brings you closer to fluency. Keep practicing, stay patient, and enjoy the journey of becoming a confident English speaker. What's one way you will start training your brain? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Listening Journey for more tips on learning English fluently. See you in the next video.